Before we talk about IU Jelly, we should know the Earth Day. Earth Day is an annual event held on April 22nd, which aims to raise public awareness of environmental protection. It emerged in 1970s because of massive oil spill that occurred in Santa Barbara in 1969, which prompted U.S. Senator Gaylord Nelson to take a move to environmental protection and begin a check-in about environmental issues in campuses. Earth Day is assigned to different themes or area of focus each year. The theme of this year is Restore Our Earth, and the focus is on living in harmony with nature, the development of green technologies, and restoring ecosystems. On April 22nd, the first Earth Day was celebrated. Around 10% of the total population of the United States at that time took the street on that day. And over the decades, Earth Day has brought hundreds of millions of people across 193 countries into this global movement.
And since we talked about the Earth Day, there is a girl we need to know. It's Greta Thunberg, the 16-year-old Swedish girl who inspired millions of young people worldwide to fight climate change, was named Time Magazine's Person of the Year for 2019. In August 2018, she drew the media's attention for her environmental campaign. She skipped school every Friday and camped outside the Swedish Parliament to urge her government to take more action. We should care about these issues because we're living here on the earth. Did you have this kind of courage to fight for our planet? And we will be focusing on SDGs number 15, Life on Land this time. We'll talk about how should we protect bees to make our earth better.
Usually known as one of the most popular summertime trees in Taiwan, we want to introduce fig recipes which are native to Taiwan and play a key role in pollination of the figures. Ivory figures usually produce fruit in November and ripe in the winter. When ivy produces fruit, the wasps lay their eggs inside the figures and grow into wasps when the figures ripen. The wasps fly and carry the pollen with them from one figure to another. Figure wasps can adapt to other climates. These unique ivy figs grow only on this island. This is why ivy is unique in the world.
Let us tell you how to make ivy jelly. First, you need the ivy seeds. It's about 30 grams, and the water is about 2 liters. Second, put ivy seeds in a mash bag and put the mash bag in the water. Make sure you use the water with the minerals. Don't use the our water, otherwise you can get the jelly. Third, rub the mash bag in the water until you feel the water turns solid and the color turns yellow. Then, leave the ivy jelly alone. Don't shake it, otherwise you'll affect the interaction to condensation. The last step, put ice, lemon, and sugar syrup in the ivy jelly, then stir it. You can have the cool ivy jelly.
Have you ever heard of McDonald's for bees? Mike Hive's inspiration came from McDonald's in Sweden, which installed beehives on the roof and replaced the grass outside the store with flowers and plants, an important food source for bees. Although Mike Hive is a beehive, its appearance is almost the same as that of a real McDonald's. From the drive-through passage to the tables in the outdoor area, and even McDonald's golden signboard arches, All of them are faithfully presented. Inside, the bees can happily dance around the wooden frame and build hives to store honey and pollen. Basically, the MyHive is a fully functional beehive. Now, we also hope that every customer who comes to McDonald's will pay attention to the survival of bees, strive for a larger living place for the bees, and let the whole world be their MyHive.
The bees are dying, the number of bees is declining, and there is a team in Israel who have found a way to replace the number more efficiently than bees. They use protein and nectar mixed together to make the honey look real and taste real. This science is a great help to the bees. The only product in bees' life that only has a little honey, but the work can produce 3 tons of honey in a week. Also, they can make unlimited amount of honey each season. We need to support this team from Israel. They work like bees and save the bees because the bees they save will save the world. Actually, let bees free.